Seashells, it's Shelby, and I am back with another.
Guys, if you watched my video from before this, you will know why I'm doing all of this extra stuff.
And today, I'm back with another video with this person over here. You guys know her, you've seen her already. This is Shacqueal Witter! Yay!
Alright, yeah.
So, if you haven't already seen the title, you'll know what today's video is about. It's who's most likely to, right?
Is it Shelby?
Or is it Shacqueal? Okay. So, I mean, let's just get right on into
The
video. So, first one is who's more likely to get married? Guys, come on.
Who's most likely to go to an event mainly for food?
Can't love our belly? That's all she cares about.
That's not nice. But for real, I mean, though.
Should I probably just go to the party, eat the food and leave? Ooh! Who's most likely to tell a family member to off? To be honest, because
Yup.
oh no.
Who is most likely to fight over food?
Who's most likely to have a one-night stand?
Yes, be honest. Be honest.
Not saying that I would have one right now, but I'm just more likely to because I ain't got nobody.
Who is most likely to die first? No way.
Who's most likely to have kids first? Girl. Girl, you know it ain't me.
Who is most likely? Who is most likely to eat out of the garbage pan?
Shacqueal love our belly, so any food we're probably in next year we'll probably eat it too.
Probably.
But you know,
Shelby will go without food, but me?
you know, you cannot survive a day. Who is most likely to get their life together?
You know, if we have one friend we kind of get ourselves together, because you know, Shacqueal, or you know, a Shelby, but why?
So we're just there.
To whole life I go right now.
You better you go on your bed.
Who is most likely to turn gay? First of all, bro. I don't like vaginas.
Me don't wanna get up first when we ask for week. Who's most likely to become a stripper? Sis!
I will.
I mean,
exactly.
it'd be fine.
Who is most likely to eat all the food from each other? We kind of like friends, you know, with a hungry belly, cause like
Yeah, she always eat up my food.
me like when they belly not full, and me say, Shelby, you want to? She said no. Me say, oh, we eat it for you. No problem, we eat it for you.
I mean, I'm mad because I'm like, is he that mega dash it away or?
So me like, if you don't eat much, me like you.
Who's most likely to plan a wedding in their head with a random stranger? Ah!
First of all, I would not do that, and I don't think. But who is most likely?
Alright, who's most likely to? Probably me.
Yeah, cause
Who's most likely to argue with a teacher?
Try me, bitch.
No, I don't feel like you're more than me. Here.
never arguments.
But now I'm gonna feel like you're more than me. Sorry.
Who is most likely to get unconscious from drinking? Okay, guys.
I won't deny it. It's true. Who's most likely to do schoolwork on time?
honest.
Yeah.
Well, kind of even. I don't really do schoolwork on time, but me kind of more than children.
Yeah.
Who is most likely to take people man? Take people man.
I mean, I'm not doing it now, you know, but I'm just, you know,
No,
more
broke
likely
pocket
to.
man.
I'm right.
7 days a week, man chop, man chop.
Who's most likely to cry because of a sad movie?
Why? Jaja, trust me. Emotions are killer over here. Who is most likely to get drunk on their birthday?
Dog. Why wouldn't I? Jump on a regular.
So imagine the birthday, and they study unconsciousness for me, understand?
Yeah. Who's most likely to have 2 girlfriends at one time?
I'm not even have one.
Thank you. Next. Who is most likely to worry about small things? I said go. I said go.
Who is most likely to date someone for food?
This bitch.
Probably, this could have been Shelby too, you know. This could have been Shelby too.
I mean, it says
She
who
was-
is most likely. So it's you. It never said who do it to.
Who is most likely to kill someone accidentally?
I mean,
Depends on the situation.
Yeah.
But if it's accidentally, then
accidentally. Me
Yeah,
can't
go
am I
kill somebody
capable of that?
I don't know. Next.
Next. Who is most likely to laugh at the wrong moment? Brother, we laugh at everything. Everything.
Oh my.
You look like photo.
I start laugh after somebody I don't know them up and top me. Me I go laugh too, sorry. I'm going to laugh. Who is most likely to die for something stupid? Like I said.
True. Me probably bought me to one classmate somewhere and then dead.
Who is most likely to embarrass themselves in front of their crush? I don't know. Me don't do it.
Me don't do it too much. I don't know. Who's most likely to do plastic surgery?
Excuse me? First of all, people, do you see this and do you see my booty? Please, Shelby, please, be honest, Shelby. It's
Yeah, the next
lying.
chance, yeah, you know.
She's
Yeah, the
lying.
next chance, yeah.
First of all, Shelby wants big bottom. Okay, guys? So
Nothing a little amphetamine won't do.
You see? So she tries the amphetamine now
No,
until
it's
she
a
can
plastic.
afford the surgery. So people, it is Shelby, not me. I already have it, okay?
Don't say what I said, what I said.
We can on this far now. Who is most likely to fail a simple test? Definitely me. Shacqueal, 1 plus 1 is what? Hold on. You have the calculator? Oh shit. No, we don't have the calculator. Don't fail already.
Who is most likely to live in a zoo? I'm monkey this already though.
We have business. Alright, you're a worm. So she already have the worms in this. Look at this.
No, they get a
She's
variety.
resembling her family members at the zoo right
You know,
now.
next.
Who is most likely to become a multi-billionaire? It's both.
Yeah, we both gonna be rich.
Yeah.
Who is most likely to read every book in a school library? Yeah, probably me. I'm really that bored. I'm just gonna know if to live my life sometimes. Books are boring, but if I see one pretty one, I'm gonna read it. This year, not take a book, you know?
When I read it. Sorry.
Who is most likely to get arrested for walking around naked?
Probably Shelby for real.
If I listened before I saw so Jasmine, didn't know.
Yes.
So imagine.
Right now I should arrest Shelby, okay? Right.
Who is most likely to fall asleep in class?
That is true. Me can't drop asleep in a class, like.
I'll be out like
Me
a light.
bored, but me can't drop
Like
asleep.
a light. Like a light.
Who is most likely to watch porn as soon as they wake up? Come on now, Shelby. Come on now. I have no need to watch that.
Me.
Yes, you do. Okay? But anyways, guys, it's Shelby. Okay?
No.
Who's most likely to do weird things in public?
What if my nose was, wow, I'm Squidward?
I mean, I'm too weird.
Me fool, you know? Yo, me fool, you know?
It's going to be very
Me
fool.
fool, me foul.
You're foul.
Yeah.
And that's the moment she knew.
She fucked up.
Who is most likely to talk to animals?
Please.
Alright, me.
I know.
Me.
Anyone? You see me tell her? A Shelby. Zoo. That is why
No.
she's most likely to live in the zoo.
No.
She loves talking
You
to
think
water
it's
and
Snow
something.
White?
Yeah, she
You're
loves
not
talking
really
to water and thing. So, Shelby. And the last question is, who is most likely to have weird phobias?
Yeah. Like my hate ants. Like, if I see like one whole heap of ants one place, my skin just start crawl. It's
I cannot relate.
and like if I see some bag of hole, like some whole heap of hole in one area, it just make more vomit. Like it just nasty.
Weird.
I don't know. But yeah.
Girl, don't fling down my face like that.
And that's the end of this video. If you liked it, smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. You know what? I give you a little minute to do that.
So I'm going. They're good. You're hungry? Some food is so bad.
Done? Ah, good. Nice. After you do that, you know, click the little bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. And also go watch her video that we filmed before this one. And go subscribe to her channel. I have it linked down below.
Shacqueal Witter. I must look weird as hell. Who is most likely to embarrass themselves? You see what I mean? Because I can't do shit.
Yeah, you're really fool. So yeah guys, until next time, bye.